From the courts, the two men police believed to be responsible for that double murder in Peardale appeared before a magistrate today, and the man accused of killing a teacher was also arraigned. Jared Higgs tells us more.
3 murder suspects were brought to the magistrate's court under heavy police presence Monday afternoon. 24-year-old Contino Carey of Soldier Road and 19-year-old Jakota Johnson of Union Village were charged in connection with that double murder which took place in the Peardale community last week. The men are accused of killing Mackenzie Telesnord and Mark Davis, and they were further charged with the attempted murder of 10-year-old Avante Morley. Carey and Johnson were not required to enter a plea to the charges and were remanded to the Bahamas Department of Corrections until October 24th for a service of voluntary bill of indictment paperwork. Carey's attorney, Bernard Ferguson, noted that his client feared for his safety at the Bahamas Department of Corrections and had a long-standing medical condition that required urgent attention. Magistrate Forbes noted the concerns. Meantime, 30-year-old Alistair Williams of Garden Hills No. 2 was charged in connection with the September 9th murder of Charles Abusondo's teacher, Marisha Bowen. Williams was represented by attorney Nathan Smith, who claimed that his client received injuries while in police custody and needed medical attention. Magistrate Andrew Forbes also took note of the concern, stating that the information would be passed on to the prisoner's commissioner. He was also remanded to the Department of Corrections. Shifting to the Supreme Court, the sentencing phase of the Reuben Baker murder trial continued before Justice Deborah Fraser. Baker was convicted for the November 2014 stabbing death of Carmen Jean, his then live-in girlfriend. Proceedings began with prosecutor Randolph Dames arguing the case's aggravating factors, including that murder is among the most serious offenses one can commit, and the convict did not plead guilty at the earliest opportunity. Making reference to several cases to support his position, Dames requested a sentence of 40 to 60 years. For his part, Baker's attorney, Michael Hanna, noted that his client had no prior convictions and owned his own business, despite dropping out of high school after the 10th grade. He asked for mercy, saying his client was saddened by what he had done and had great contempt for his actions that day. Hanna went as far as telling his client, through his court submission, to do his time humbly and accept his lot. He ended by requesting a sentence of 12 years. Following defense submissions, Justice Fraser adjourned the matter until Tuesday, September 27th at 10 a.m. Jared Higgs, ZNS Network News.